Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we'll be talking about how you can install Barnett's ProTalk software suite. This is an engineering software that you need to program Barnett callout system. Let me show you what a Barnett system looks like. Uh, I'll open a Google and type BARRNETT ProTalk and images. This is what a ProTalk callout system looks like. Anyway, so I'm gonna download the software from Barnett website. Click on barnettprotalk.com, click on support, and if you scroll all the way down, you see software downloads. Click on software downloads, and this is what you will need to download. If you click on the down arrow, it will show you what version you're going to be downloading. So you can click it and it will start downloading. I've already downloaded my software. I don't need the browser anymore. In order to start downloading, double click the software, click on yes. So there's two components of the download that you have to perform on your computer. First one being the configuration software itself, followed by the USB driver. We'll start off with the very first one, configuration software. And then we'll do the USB driver installation. So my computer is a 64-bit computer. So once that is done, now you're ready to use your Barnett software. You click on ProSoft plus configuration software, and this is what the software looks like. I hope this short tutorial will help you understand what is required to be downloaded from the Barnett website. Have a good day. Bye.